हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज हम यहाँ पे जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया का जो असिस्टेंट मैनेजर पोस्ट है उसके कुछ कंप्यूटर के क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे अपन कवर कर रहे हैं। जो टॉपिक है हमारा वो है कंप्यूटर सिक्योरिटी। ओके, कंप्यूटर सिक्योरिटी के बारे में अपन यहाँ पे 50 क्वेश्चंस कवर करेंगे एंड देन इसके बाद हम इम्पोर्टेंट प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस अपन यहाँ पे पोस्ट करेंगे। ओके, जो है सेकंड जनवरी को मैं यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पोस्ट करूंगा एंड 3 जनवरी को एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन पोस्ट करूंगा। ओके, तो जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लो ताकि नोटिफिकेशन थ्रू आपको वीडियोस डायरेक्टली मिल जाए। प्लस आई कार्ड भी जनरेट हो चुके हैं। जिन्होंने अभी तक आई कार्ड को डाउनलोड नहीं किया वो आई कार्ड को डाउनलोड कर दीजिए और कोई भी क्वेरीज होती है आई कार्ड रिलेटेड या फिर एग्जाम्स रिलेटेड वो भी आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं। उसका भी मैं यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करूंगा। ओके, प्लस NISL एंड SBI क्लर्क की भी अपन ने जो सीरीज है वो स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं। जिन्होंने SBI क्लर्क एंड NISL असिस्टेंट का फॉर्म फिल कर चुके हैं वो भी वो सीरीज को कंटिन्यू स्टार्ट देख सकते हैं क्योंकि वो सीरीज पूरा कंप्लीट 1 मंथ चलेगी जहाँ पे अपन डेली मॉक पेपर प्लस सब्जेक्ट वाइज क्वेश्चन भी वहां पे अपन पोस्ट करेंगे। ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। अपन यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है अपने पास। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंक्रिप्शन एल्गोरिदम इज कंसिडर्ड क्वांटम रेजिस्टेंस। तो आंसर है लैटिस बेस्ड इंक्रिप्शन। ओके, नेक्स्ट सेकंड सेकंड है विच सिक्योरिटी मॉडल फोकस ऑन confidentiality of information by enforcing mandatory access control policy. The answer is Bell La Padilla model. Okay. Next, third, which of the following attack is associated with attempting to crash a system by sending excessive requests? The answer is denial of service, जिसको हम बोलते हैं DOS. Okay. Next, fourth, which of the following is used to prevent unauthorized data access by implementing rules about which user can access which resources? The answer is access control list. Okay. Next, fifth, what type of attack manipulate the DNS resolution process to redirect user to malicious website? The answer is DNS spoofing. Okay. Next, six, what is the primary goal of brute force attack? Answer is to guess a password or encryption key. Okay. Next, seventh, which of the following is the most effective in detecting unknown zero-day vulnerability? The answer is anomaly-based IDs. Okay. Next, eight, which of the following type of encryption is generally considered the most secure for long-term protection of data? The answer is AES. Okay. Next, ninth, what does the principle of least privilege imply in access control? Answer is user should have access only to the resource they need. Next, tenth, which of the following is a method to mitigate SQL injection attack? Answer is use input validation. Next, 11, a man in the middle, okay, MITM attack. What is typically intercepted? Answer is data sent between two parties. Next, 12th, which type of firewall inspect the entire packet, including the payload, to detect malicious activity? Answer is deep packet inspection firewall. Next, 13, what does multi-factor authentication require? Answer is two or more method of verification. Next, 14, which protocol is most commonly used to secure email communication? Answer is S or MIME communication. Next, 15, which of the following is the common technique used in phishing attack? Answer is sending fake email to gather sensitive information. Next, 16, what does a rootkit typically hide on a system? Answer is malicious code. Next, 17, which of the following is essential element of public key infrastructure? Answer is certificate authority. Next, 18, advanced persistent threats are characterized by. Answer is long term and targeted attack. Next, 19. In the context of computer security, what is zero-day exploit? Answer is an exploit against unpatched software. Next, 20. Which of the following is not characterized by of symmetrical encryption? Answer is more secure for long-term shortage. Next, 21. Which of the following is an example of social engineering attack? Answer is phishing email. Next, 22. Which of the following security mechanism is used to ensure data integrity during transmission? Answer is hashing. Next, 23. What type of malware is specifically designed to replicate itself and spread to other systems? Answer is virus. Next, 24. Which of the following is a common mitigation for cross-site scripting attack? Answer is input validation and output encoding. Next, 25. Access control model are typically used to. Answer is define who can access which data and at what level. Okay. Next, 26. Which of the following attack involves altering a DNS response to redirect traffic to malicious site? The answer is DNS spoofing. Okay. Next, 27. Which of the following security tool is used to identify unusual pattern of behavior that may indicate a security breach? The answer is anomaly based IDs. Next, 28. What is two-factor authentication commonly used for? Answer is adding an additional layer of security during login. Next, 29. Which of the following is a risk management strategy? Answer is avoidance. Next, 30. Which of the following cryptographic algorithm is widely used for digital signature? Answer is RSA. Next, 31. What is the function of VPN? Means virtual private network. Answer is to anonymize internet traffic and secure data transmission. Next, 32. What is the key benefit of public key cryptography? Answer is it allows secure key exchange over insecure channel. Next, 33. Which of the following user authentication method is considered the strongest? Answer is biometrics. Next, 34. Which of the following describe buffer overflow vulnerability? Answer is memory corruption that allows arbitrary code execution. Next, 35. What is the primary purpose of digital certificate PKI system? Answer is to verify the identity certificate holder. Okay. Next, 36. What is the man in the middle attack used to intercept? Answer is data between two parties. Okay. Next, 37. Which of the following is the first step in responding to the security breach? Answer is identify and confirm the breach. Next, 38. Which protocol is used for secure communication over a network? Answer is SSL and TLS. Next, 39. What is the function of firewall? Answer is it filter network traffic. Next, 40. SQL injection vulnerability can be mitigated by. Answer is using prepared statement and parameterized queries. Next, 41. In the context of cybersecurity, what does CIA TRIDE stand for? Answer is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Next, 42. Which of the following type of attack sending malicious code to a website to be executed by another user browser? Answer is cross-site scripting. Next 43. Which of the following is used to detect and prevent intrusion in network system? Answer is intrusion detection system. Next 44. What does data encryption help protect against? Answer is unauthorized data access. Next 45. Which technique is used to authenticate the identity of user or system in cybersecurity? Answer is authentication. Next 46. What does cybersecurity risk assessment help organization do? Answer is identify and evaluate potential threats and vulnerability. Next 47. Which of the following tool is used to ensure secure software development? Answer is static application security testing. Okay. Next 48. What does ethical hacking typically involve? Answer is penetration testing with authorization. Next 49. What is the main function of an intrusion prevention system जिसको अपन IPS बोलते हैं? Answer is to block malicious network traffic. Next 50. Which of the following is a common risk management strategy for mitigating cyber threat? तो avoidance, acceptance and transfer. तो आंसर आएगा all of the above. Okay. नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो रहेगा वो अपन इंपॉर्टेंट एंड एक्सपेक्टेड एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके. जिन्होंने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो सब्सक्राइब कर लो ताकि नोटिफिकेशन थ्रू वीडियोस मिल जाए. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.